So remember last year when we had the flat tire?
And then the gas light came on?
Well, last year's whole thing was, it's not a vacation until you have a flat. This year, apparently, it's not a vacation until this happens.
Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Why are we the only two people leaving? This is 34 flights we gotta walk down.
If there's no one in the stairwell, we'll go back to our room.
Can we get back in? Comes the question. We couldn't get in yesterday.
You can get back in. Oh, through the stairs?
Yeah.
It was only locked at the bottom to keep the homeless people out.
Screw a flat. It's not a vacation until...
Should be clear.
Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency.
Let's check this.
Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not
Can you get back in?
Here, these don't lock.
All right, let's get down the floor too.
Super fun. I can feel a sense of emergency here.
Take a look at this car. Anybody can? Anybody leave?
Look, there's no, I can't even hear another food.
Oh, wait, I not heard of the door.
I heard my door. Right, the last time I watered.
There's no one leaving this building, and we're the only two people who are going to survive this catastrophe.
It doesn't even say what kind of emergency. It just says emergency.
Wait, the recording stopped.
Well, that's an emergency.
Look in the hall.
I hear people downstairs. I am not going up 34 floors. I think it stopped. Oh, you're right.
No emergency, huh?
Like, I don't want to go down that far.
No, neither do
We're
I.
at 34.
Oh, yeah, so you have extra. But it stopped.
If the recording stopped and the building's still standing, I'm going to call it a win.
Well, fortunately for us, the hotel has not burned down. The building has not burned down. And
It's not falling down to our knowledge.
Kirsten only had to climb 4 or 5 flights.
We only went down 4 floors before they called off the emergency because we were busy saving our passports and our laptops.
And I had to pee. So, back to editing the other video for the night.
Good night.
Bye.